In this program, we will find the ASCII value of any character or vice versa from ASCII to character. So both the cases we can find by this program. Let us start the program. First of all, we write the header files stdio.h, standard input output for, and another header file is conio.h for clear screen and getCH function. Then we write the main function whose return type is void, as we do not want to return anything from this program. Then we write clear screen function, which is used to clean the output screen. In the end, I write getCH function, which is used to hold the output screen. To print any message, I use printf function. I write enter any character. It is printed as it is. To print input, we write scanf function. Scanf function. Before using a scanf function, we need a variable to be declared before the clear screen. So I'm going to take the input in character. So we take character data type. I take the variable ch, and the format specifier for character is %c. To allocate memory, we take ampersand, and then we write the variable name. Scanf is terminated by semicolon. Now we are able to take the input in the program. Our aim is to find the ASCII value. One thing is to be remembered: the ASCII value of any character is the integer equivalent of that character, and integer equivalent of a character is found by just writing the format specifier of integer. Let's see. Percent. If I write for better presentation, %c is equal to %d in this way. Here %c represents the actual character, equals to, then %d represents the integer equivalent of this character. So I need to write two variables which are both same here. The first character is of character type, another character is of integer type. The character is same, but their presentation is different, which is converted by the format specifier. So let's check the output of this program. Enter any character. So if I press character capital A, then the ASCII value of character capital A is 65. Yes, it shows the right output. You can enter any character, number, symbol to find the ASCII value. Also, we can find the character from the ASCII value. For this, we have to change little bit in the program. Instead of character, I need integer. So I write the variable integer. Here the message is also changed. Enter any ASCII value. Then instead of %c, I need %d, and the variable is I. and I will write first the ASCII value, which is integer, and then it is converted into character. So I need to write the %C format specifier to write the character equivalent of that integer value. Variable name is I, and in this way we are able to find the character equivalent of any integer value. You can check the output by just running this program. Enter any value, any ASCII value. If I write 97, this is the ASCII value of a small a, lowercase a alphabet, so it should be 97 is equal to small a. So in this way you can find the character of any ASCII value. Similarly, if I use the looping in this program, we can find the ranges. To find this, I remove these statements. I do not need this also, so I remove this statement again. Yes, I run the loop for now. I want to run the program from I is equal to 97 to I is less than equal to 122. This is the range for a small alphabets, then I++. It will print the character values of these ASCII range 97 to 122. This is for small a to small z. Let's check the output. Yes, it is working fine. 97 is equal to a and z is equal to, z is not printed. Yes, z is 122. So I just give a space here so it shows better. If I change the value from 65 to 90, this is the range for capital alphabet. Let's check the output. 65 is equal to a and 90 is equal to z. So it shows the right output. If I want to print the range from 48 to 57, this is the range for 0 to 9 number, then it will print the number. 48 is 0 and 57 is 9. In the reverse, you can write the range from capital A to capital Z in this way. And instead of %d, I write C, and here %d. And now in this program, we are going to find the ASCII value of capital A to capital Z, this range. Let's check the program. Yes, A is equal to 65, Z is equal to 90. So the whole range is showing. Similarly, I change small a to small z. Let's check the output. It's showing the right way. And similarly, you can write any series for which you can find the ASCII value or the character values. So hope you have understood the concept of finding the ASCII value or character by just changing the format specifier %c and %d. You can watch more lectures by subscribing our channel Madhvam Tutorials.